What up, everyone? This is Brian Racamontes, also known as Teleco760. Follow me on Instagram, Mixer channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, what up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. So today's unboxing video is going to be on two things. This Redcon1 meal replacement bars, and also the meal replacement MRE, the regular one, not the MRE light. So let's get this started. Where's my knife? Oh, it's way over here. Alright, let's get this unboxing done. So I haven't eaten all day, waiting for this package so I could see whether it actually makes you feel full. So I'm not really starving, or I don't feel hungry right now, but I know I will later on. Alright, so yep, it's the powder. It almost looks like protein powder, or it's in one of these jars, or whatever you call tubs. There's nothing else in the box. Alright, it is called Meal Replacement Redcon1. Redcon1 MRE, Real Whole Food Meal Replacement. So it's not protein powder, it's a meal replacement. And let me give you guys a better look at that. Alright, see, MRE, Real Whole Food Meal Replacement. Alright, let's see what this says. Let's see. Let me sit down. Alright, it says the objective. The most important fuel you can give your body is real whole foods. We created MRE to provide your body with the best fuel possible. In the military, MREs are food rations that give soldiers the nutrients they need to survive on a mission. With MRE, we have given you the fuel you need to repair and recover after your workouts from high-quality food sources. Stop reaching for fast food and reach for whole foods with MRE. Okay, MRE suggestion use for added dietary protein or meal replacement. Mix 1 serving of MRE with 14 to 16 ounces of water or your favorite beverage. Shake well and consume. I don't have a shake bottle, but I'm just gonna use the spoon. On bottom, it says, it's really hard to see if you guys don't have any light on it. It says, notice, use this product as food supplement only. Do not use for weight reduction. This product is intended to be consumed by healthy adults 18 years of age or older. So make sure, if you guys have some health issues or whatever, talk to your doctor before you do any sort of stuff like this, food supplements or meal replacements, whatever. It says, okay, use product as food supplement only, do not use for weight reduction. It says it again right here, but it's more visible. Let's see what it says here. www.redcon.com, their Facebook, Instagram, Tinder, whatever. Not Tinder, Twitter. Alright, the front, meal replacement powder drink mix, net weight 7.15 pounds or 32.43 grams. Sold by weight, not volume. Alright, this is a fudge brownie, natural and artificial flavored. So this is the fudge brownie one. I like the freaking container. It looks cool. But right, let's see, it's just a bar tag on here. I'm gonna just twist it around so you guys can see that. Alright, the nutritional facts are right here. You guys can't see it. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, and you guys can get it on Amazon or their website. I suggest you get it on Amazon. It's cheaper on Amazon. It's the same exact thing. And if you go to the Redcon1.com, it's more expensive, but I saved like $15 just on this alone, getting it through Amazon, and that also. So yeah. All right, it says 4 scoops is 1 serving. There's 25 servings per container. All right, it has 5% total fat of daily value, saturated fat 0% or 0 grams, trans fat none, cholesterol 3% or 100 milligrams, sodium 200 milligrams, 9% dietary. Total carbohydrate is 75 grams or 27% of daily value. Dietary fiber is 8 grams or 28%. Total sugar is 5 grams, so there's not that much sugar. Includes 0 grams added sugar, 0%. Protein, 47 grams, which is 94% of your daily freaking value. Vitamin D, 0 mcg, I don't know what that stands for, but it says 0%. Calcium, 90 milligrams, 8%. Iron, 3 milligrams, 15%. Potassium, 250 milligrams, 4%. All right. It says ingredients: rolled oats, whole food protein blend, beef protein isolate, salmon protein, chicken protein, egg albumin, brown rice protein, pea protein, red Russell cocoa, natural and artificial flavors, milk creamer for texture, dehydrated yam, dehydrated sweet potato, pea starch, cellulose, gum, coconut water powder, dehydrated blueberry, dehydrated goji berry, dextrose, medium chain triglyceride, MCT oil powder, maltodextrin, salt, sucralose, and accessulfame, acesulfame K. Contains milk, eggs, fish, salmon. The salmon is fish, so it's just in parentheses. Tree nuts, coconuts in parentheses. So allergen warning. Manufactured on shared equipment which processes products containing soy, wheat, shellfish, fish, and peanuts. So if you guys are allergic to any of those, stay away from this product. All right, distributed by Redcon1 LLC. It has their address and their phone number. Settling may occur. Keep in cool, dry place. Store at 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. For those of you that use Celsius. Anyways, this is a powder, and like I said, it has 25 per container, 25 servings. So this is like about a month's worth. Now let's get to unbagging this MRE replacement bars. Now they have protein specific jars or containers like that. Like if you go to GNC and get any protein powder, there's nothing else in here, just so you guys know. Here's the MRE bar, real whole food. Okay, so this box contains 12 bars. Okay, and there you guys go. See that has the nutritional facts on this side. Let's see, just like a little photo on the side of the bar. I got the mint chocolate ones, and this alone costs like 30 bucks, but it comes with 12. And if you guys ever go try to get like a protein bar or whatever from MRE or Cliff or any other of those bars that you see in any grocery store or freaking, if you guys go to a gasoline station, they have them. They're energy bars or protein bars, whatever, fiber bars, whatever. Freaking, they are expensive. They're like $2 each or whatever. This one comes with 12, so 2 times 12, that's 24. So these are a bit expensive, but whatever. You're only meant to eat this. Let's actually see if they have instructions on here. All right. Nutritional facts. Serving size is 1 bar. Okay. 12 servings per container. So I should have probably bought another box if I wanted it to last. But I'm mostly going to be drinking the meal replacement powder, like drinking it with water. And it says that you could put the powder in any drink of your liking, but I do got the fudge brownie flavored one, so I don't think I could put that in my soda or orange juice. I could probably put it in my milk and water. Yeah, other than that, it'll just taste nasty. But you could do it. You could do it, but that's just nasty. Anyways, this meal replacement bar, obviously is a bar. Let's open this up, just so you guys can see the package. Again, I haven't eaten all freaking day, and I don't know what time it is. Let's check my Xbox. It is 4:13 p.m. today, and I haven't eaten all day. So I'm at that point where I'm like not feeling hungry, but later on it's gonna hit like really hard. It comes and goes because I do have extra stored fat or energy that my body could use, so that's what it's doing for me not to feel hungry. So yep. See, I've eaten some of those protein bars or whatever, but the difference between this is like, it says you guys could go on YouTube, go to their YouTube channel and their website. They have little videos explaining what they do. Outside the package, it feels soft. Supposedly this doesn't harden after a long time. Its shelf life is like 2 years, also with the powder, probably more since it's in a container. But these 2 years shelf life, I believe. But you guys are gonna finish them before you even hit 2 years. All right, real whole food MRE bar. Meal replacement, real food sources, 20 grams of protein. So if you guys want more protein, it's right here. This one only has 4% of your daily value. And this, I'll read the nutritional facts, but everything that you eat daily, it's based on a 2,000 calorie diet daily for an average human, right? And some people work out, some people don't. It depends on your lifestyle as well. I do work out, and my plan and my use for this is, replacing most of my food that I consume during the day. I'm gonna try the best I can to eat only this, and maybe on the weekends I'll eat my junk food or whatever. I'm gonna cut out a lot of the fast food that I want, and I'm gonna test this out just so I could try to get rid of the fat at max. My physique has gotten to the point where you can see the outline of the, like I had a 2-pack, and then like the little outline, very faded outline of like a 6-pack or whatever. But I've never really gotten cut or any further than that because I love food and I love eating junk food or fast food or just anything I want. And I could, me personally, I could work out or not work out and I'll never get that fat unless I have to really abuse myself, which I have, because I haven't, like before last week, I haven't really gone to the gym. Or actually, before, when did coronavirus strike? Around that time, probably a little bit before everyone started having to stay inside here in California. I live in Sacramento, so in Sacramento, California. Right before that, I stopped going to the gym for like 3 months or whatever. I did work out like 1 or 2 days every like 3 weeks in between. And then I do like little workouts, but for me, they don't seem like a good workout or like enough for me. I'm used to working out a lot. I was in the U.S. Marine Corps too, although I don't want to give too much credit to the Marine Corps because I was a lunatic when it came to working out before I even joined. That's why when I joined, boot camp was fun. It was easy for me. It was easy. It was difficult, but it was like fun. That's all I have to say about that. But anyways, this is the unboxing or unbagging of this. I will eat this. I'm gonna try this one out actually in front of the camera, just so you guys can see. All right, so this has 260 calories. I kind of ripped that part. Total fat 12%. Saturated 5 grams, 25%. So the total fat is 9 grams. Trans fat 0. Poly unsaturated fat 1 gram. Mono unsaturated fat 3 grams. Cholesterol 13%. Or 40 milligrams. Sodium 300 milligrams, 13%. Sodium 13%, 300 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 29 grams, 11%. Total carbohydrate 29 grams, 11%. Dietary fiber 3 grams, 11%. Total sugar 6 grams. Includes 5 grams of added sugar, 10%. So protein 20 grams or 40%. So if I eat this in combination with this, I'll just have to keep track of the percentages. And then other than that, like whatever your body is telling you, pay attention. If you're hungry, eat one of these a day, and then for the rest of the day, that's my plan. I'm gonna eat this like in the morning when I wake up, maybe twice a day, but I'm gonna try to do it once. I'm gonna try to make those 12 bars last. So 1 or 2 a day, and this for the rest of the day. I'll just make sure I have around 2,000 calories or less, whatever, since we're quarantined, can't really go out and run or do any of that stuff. So yeah, but this is just gonna be like my diet or whatever while I work out, and then just be in quarantine mode. And I'm a YouTuber. You guys watch my videos and stuff. I do lots of different types of videos. Obviously, I like gaming. The Xbox in the background. Anyways, vitamin D 0%. C, what the hell is this? Calcium? No, it's not calcium. Yeah, it is calcium. 290 milligrams, 20%. Iron 0.6 milligrams, 4%. Potassium 90 milligrams, 2%. All right, see inside flap for ingredients list of allergen information. This product, use it as a food supplement only. Do not use for weight reduction. Again, I'm not doing it for weight reduction, just for like fat reduction. I'm really specific on that because there's a difference between losing weight and fat. I'm not that far from getting rid of my fat, and I don't really care if I weigh 250 pounds as long as I could be balanced and still like run fast. And for long distances, then I'm good. I'm not trying to bulk up. My older brother wants to do that. I'm more like I'm trying to be like balanced, well balanced. Like for example, my brother wants to be the Hulk. Me, I want to be Captain America or freaking Thor at max. Before he got fat in Endgame, okay? Like that. Ingredients. You guys can look at that up. I'm gonna put that in the description below. So I'm gonna put the Amazon. Freaking yeah, I might as well just put the Amazon one. I'll put their official website on there. But to remind you guys, you'll save more money getting the same product through Amazon, even with shipping and handling. Contains soy, tree nuts, peanut, egg, basically the same stuff that I said on here. It's just a little bit different. This is again, this is the chocolate mint. And I'm monologuing a little bit. All right, let's eat this. Take this bar out. It kind of like that texture. It kind of looks like a crunch bar, but it's thicker. All right, there's that. I could feel the chocolate kind of melt. I guess you could put it in the refrigerator if you guys like cold. Yeah, I see some chocolate is like melting on my fingers. So I'm gonna eat this. Pretty good so far. Crunchy on the outside because the nuts are on the outside. Fudge brownie. No, this is a mint chocolate. Pretty good. I tried like I told you guys, all those protein bars. The ones that I like the most are the Cliff bars. And these are okay. They're pretty good too. So these two food bars or whatever, this is not a protein bar, it's like a whole food bar, like they say. Tastes good. All the other ones are like too thick and dry. And like I only choked because my own saliva went down the wrong pipe. But it's good. It's not dry. It's not fucking moist. It's pretty good. I'm gonna eat it. See if I get full. Alpha 1. or whatever. Either way, I'm only gonna eat 1, max 2 a day, and then mix match it with the meal replacement freaking powder. Other than that, that's the end of my video, you guys. There's a bunch of flavors for both the powder and the freaking MRE bars. It's pretty good. I'll try it like a snack in between, like playing video games or watching movies or whatever. Just to keep you from going to McDonald's or ordering in junk food a lot. Alright. Well, that's it for my video, guys. Give a like. Dislike, comment, subscribe. This thing's good. Make sure you guys drink a lot of water too with this. Also, obviously, if you mix it with water, it's better for you. Remember, you guys could go weeks without food and survive, but you guys could go only 3 days without food and survive. I believe it's 3 weeks. Only 3 days without water. So water is very important, you guys. Make sure you guys drink water. That's good. All right. Peace out, you guys.